Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This set from CAT 2019 Slot 2 DILR is based on radar graph. It says a large store has only three departments: clothing, produce, and electronics. The following figure shows the percentages of revenue and cost from the three departments for the years 2016 to 2018. The dotted lines depict percentage levels. So, for example, in 2016, 50% of the store's revenue came from its electronics department, while 40% of its costs were incurred in the produce department. So, how do we read it is, see, we see different triangles. The innermost triangle, the edge of this innermost triangle is 10%. This is 20%, 30, 40, and 50. So, outermost is 50, this value will be 40, this value will be 30, this value will be 20 and 10 at this, right? So similarly this value is 50, 40 and 30 at the third triangle and so on, right? Now we are given information also how to read it. 50% of store revenue came from electronics department. So revenue in 2016, that is blue one, is 50% from electronics, and 40% of its cost were produce department. So produce 2016, we can see it is 40%. So this is how we need to read the values. Now we are given that in this setup, profit is computed as revenue minus cost, and percentage profit is profit upon cost into 100. So typically your profit loss concept, that cost is there, profit is there, that becomes your revenue, and the profit percentage is profit upon the cost. So we are given that some of these values, like for example, the percent profit for the store in 2016 was 100%. The store's revenue doubled from 2016 to 17 and so on, right? So what we will do is, we will make a table of cost and one table of revenue. Now, these are relative terms. Like, for example, we do not know the cost. So, we will assume it in, like, let's take a base 100 and accordingly find the cost. Like, for example, revenue doubled from 2016 to 17. So, whatever we get as the revenue in 2016, we will double it in 2017. Cost doubled from 2016 to 18. So, whatever we consider the cost here, we will double it in 2018. So let us make a table which we have three kinds of goods. One is produce, clothing, and electronics. Produce, clothing, electronics. Okay, so here we are making the cost table in the year 2016, 17, and 18, 3 years. And likewise, we will make a table for revenue also. P, C, E, and total, and for the three given years 2016, 17, and 18. Right, so let's first start with 2016. So let us take the base year, and we will take the cost as 100. So let us take the cost 100. So it says percentage profit for the store in 2016 was 100%. So if profit is 100%, that means revenue will be 200. R will be 2 times of cost, that is 200. The store's revenue doubled from 2016 to 2017. If it is 200, we will put 400 here. Second point. And cost doubled from 2016 to 2018. So we will keep the cost here as 200. Okay, so this is done. Now we will put the information based on these, like 2016, 17, 18. We will try to put the percentage values. So let's begin with 2016 and let's start with the cost one. So 2016 is the blue one. P is 40. C is at this point. So this is 50, 40 and 30. So C is 30. So electronics will also be 30. Total 100. Right. Similarly, we will find the revenue also in this year. So revenue in 2016, electronics is 50%. That means 100 is the electronics revenue. Okay. Produce is 30%. So 60, and cost will be 40. The clothing will be 40. Now, since we know the total cost in 2018, so we can use this cost of 2018 also, that is green one. Produce is 50%, so 100 in produce. Electronics is 30%, so 30% of 200 is 60, and remaining will be clothing 40, 20% here. Okay, this is 10%, this is 20%. Now we will fill the revenue in 2017 because that is what we know of. So 2017 produce is 40%, so 160. Then we have electronics as 30%, so 120, and 30% will be clothing, so 120 here also. So thus far we have filled these values, right? Because we know the totals of cost in 2016 and 18 and total of revenue in 2016 and 17. Now we will use these 2 points and answer the questions. I mean, we will fill the table and then answer the questions. There was no profit from electronics department in 2017. So 2017 electronics, the cost is 120. There the revenue is 120. So no profit means revenue will be equal to cost. So the cost here is in electronics is 120. Now we will come to the graph of 2017, and we see that electronics constitutes of 40% here. So 40% is 120. So total cost will be 300. If total cost is 300, we can find the remaining values. Clothing is 30%, that is 90. And produce is also 30%, 90 here. Right. Now next we will find for 2018. We are given one information of 2018 also. Okay. So it says that in 2018, the revenue from clothing department was the same as the cost incurred in the produce department. So cost in produce is equal to revenue in the clothing department. So this revenue is equal to the cost in produce. So we will find that what is that revenue here. So cost this revenue is 100. Now we will see the graph of 2018, and in 2018 revenue, what is clothing? So clothing is at 40%. So 40% is equal to 100. So that means total revenue is 250. Total revenue is 250, and we have produce also at 40. So produce will also be 100, and then electronics will be 50. So that adds to 250. So these are relative values. Taking the base as 100, we solved these values. So all questions based on percentages can be answered. Percentage or ratio based questions can be answered using it, but not absolute numbers. What was the percentage profit of the store in 2018? So 2018, the cost was assumed to be 200 and the revenue is 250. So we have 25% profit. So we have drawn these tables over here. What was the ratio of revenue generated from produce department in 2017 to that in 2018? So revenue of produce in 2017 and 18. So that is 160 ratio 100 or 8 ratio 5. What percentage of the total profits for the store in 2016 was from the electronics department? So total profit in 2016. Total profit in 2016 is 100. Okay. And how much is it from electronics department? So electronics department 30 worth a product worth 30 was sold for 100. So the profit for electronics department is 70. 70 out of 100 is 70%. What was the approximate difference in profit percentages of the store in 2017 and 2018? So 2017, it is 300 and 400. So 33.3%. And in 2018, it is 200 and the revenue is 250. So the profit is 25%. So the difference in percentage point is 8.33%, or we will use 8.3%. So notice that only percentage, right, or ratio based questions can be answered this. We do not have any absolute value for the cost or revenue. So we had to assume some number, preferably 100 as the base, and then accordingly calculate the remaining values and answer the questions. So this was the solution to the set and the answers to the questions.